Hey guys, Frisian here. We got this GMC Acadia. This is gonna apply for the Traverse as well as the Southern Outlook. Pretty much the same platform from 2007 all the way up to 16. Okay, so the issue that we have here is that the temperature when you the driver's side will stay hot all the time, or it can stay cold all the time, whichever is your case. But the passenger side is independent. It's going to move up and down from hot to cold as you command it. But the driver's side is not going to work. Your problem is going to be this guy right here. It's called the blend door actuator. You can find them really cheap, less than 20 bucks. So what you need to do is very simple. It's going to take you about 5 minutes. So you're going to remove the plastic that's right here. It's a plastic. Just use your pry tool and pop 1, 2, 3 of the plastic pins out. And then once you get under here, you're going to have, once you get down here, you're going to have the actuator right there. Okay, it's held on by 3 Torx T20. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. You got 3 little bolts, and the connector is that red one right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So install your new one, and what you want to do before you turn on your vehicle is insert the key, open it, and let the actuator move back and forth, so it pretty much configures itself and adjusts to where you need to be. And close the key, open it up again, and you'll be just, and you turn it on, and then you're gonna have hot and cold air. Okay, so that's pretty much it. All right, see you on the next one.